All right, I'm gonna demonstrate real quick how to include free to use audio and video on our multimedia player thingy. So I've gone ahead and copied the audio element from the tutorial from MDN, from Mozilla, and I've chucked it in my REPL here. And what we're gonna do is go to Wikimedia Commons. There's a link in Canvas to that. You can find videos here and you can find audio here. I'm going to click on audio since that's what I'm demonstrating. And I'm just going to look for something with the lyrics, and let's do this cantata I clicked on earlier while I was trying stuff out. And let's go ahead and say use this file. And then we're going to copy the file URL. And then we're going to paste that where the source thing is. Now this is an OGG type file. So in type, we have to say audio OGG, just like it says below. And we don't need this second source because we only have one source for the file. Now we're also going to paste this in the link in case somebody is looking at your website on a potato and it doesn't support HTML5 audio. Potatoes have not been patched yet. So let's see if it works. So very lovely, so very lovely. Good old Bach. All right, so it's the same process for video files. You just go to Wikimedia Commons, you click on video, you find something silly, and then you do the same in there. Okay, good luck, enjoy, goodbye.